Hi, GB. What are you doing, GB?
Oh, one of the two of tiny.
Why did you do this?
Because
Hmm?
I can't put it away.
Sorry?
And I can't open the door.
Your hand is sad.
Look, what's
Hmm?
the
Your hand is cute.
The hand is eating.
Hand is eating. Hand is eating grass. What about that one over there?
The hand is
Oh no. Sorry? Now we need to tidy this up. We need to pick your handies up and put them away. I think your handies are sad, GB. Oh my God. GB, what happened? Your hand is sad. Look,
A little tree.
little tree, but your hand is sad. Look, what did you do?
Come, why put this order? This why broke this? My room. Want to do again?
Do again what?
The Henry. Let's open this. Let's want to open.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
I think your handies are sad, GB. You know why? Because you just threw it from the log. Your hand is sad. You need help?
Ow!
Oh no, 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 no.
People. Oh.
Nothing inside. It's nice and clean.
Dirty. There's dirty too. There's dirty. I need to take the shower.
You need to put it in the shower.
Yeah.
Why?
Because dirty. Let's open this one. This one nice clean.
This one's nice and clean.
Let me open this.
Mm-hmm. Which one do you like? Do you like the red one or green one?
The green one.
You like the green one? Oh. No, no, it's not open from the other side.
Open. Please do that. Do that.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's full of dust. This is UGB.
Yeah.
Oh no, the filter's dirty.
This.
Where are you taking this?
Oh, wait, this one.
Wait, we can put it on this side. Bring it here.
baby.
No, it's a bird.
Who is talking?
Bird's talking to you that you're playing with Henry's.
Why do we food over there?
Which food?
This.
That's a barbecue.
Who?
Why your Henry wants to do barbecue?
Cause make something.
Make something.
Yeah.
Henry wants to make something.
Yeah, dice into the hands. No.
Okay.
Dice in the hands. Let's open this one. Put this one for me.
Mm-hmm.
Put it behind my ball.
What do you want me to do? You want me to get that for you?
Let's go.
That one? Hold on. Let me get it for you. Yeah, be careful. Move on the side, darling. Go back. Don't worry. Now don't throw your Henrys like that, okay? Because Henry will be sad. They do get sad, you know. Ow. Something just sting me in the garden.
Too ugly. Oh!
Oh my God, what is that?
Oh my God. Disgusting! Put this off there and then I put in this in tree.
Mm-hmm.
Then put in tree, clean it up.
Okay.
Clean it.
Okay, we need to put them away now. Come on, let's clean it and put them away. Yeah?
Put in the rain.
Put them in the rain?
No.
Huh?
Oh. Oh my God.
Oh, you want me to empty this? Hold on. I'll do this for you. Okay, take it.
I only do this one. Oh, this one or this one. All is dirty. This one.
Which one?
It's fine. It's gonna work.
They're all working.
It's gonna work.
It does. Is it the one you gave bath? You gave bath to this Henry, didn't you?
Which?
This one?
This.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, this one is great.
I don't think it works anymore because you gave bath. Because we never tested it. We can test it because it's fully dried. We can test it tomorrow if you want.
We need to clean the carpet. Bye. Let's do that. Bye.